Experience the power of Advion in a spray with Advion WDG. This revolutionary product is the only insecticide spray on the market with the active ingredient Indoxacarb, a unique non-repellent commonly found in the most popular insect baits. Indoxacarb keeps working after contact, allowing communal insects like roaches and ants to spread the ingredient to their fellow pests for wider control. Advion WDG can be sprayed indoors and outdoors to target over 20 flying and crawling insects, including ants, beetles, carpenter bees, cockroaches, fleas, flies, overwintering pests, silverfish, pantry pests, and termites, including subterranean termites, drywood termites, and dampwood termites. WDG refers to water dispersible granules. These small granules will dissolve once they're added to water, creating a powerful suspension. The suspension has a long residual, meaning applications will last for 1 to 2 months or more, depending upon application location. Advion WDG is available in convenient pre-measured packets. To mix, add half of the water needed to your sprayer. Then, open 1 to 2 packets and pour into your sprayer. Shake the sprayer to agitate, fill with the remaining water needed, then shake the sprayer again. Check the label for the number of packets recommended and the amount of water needed for the area you're trying to cover. 1 gallon of finished solution will cover 1,000 square feet. Spray Advion WDG Insecticide as a perimeter treatment outdoors to intercept and prevent invading pests. It has a flexible application label, allowing you to spray as far up and out from the perimeter of your home as you want, as long as the total band is no more than 10 feet wide. Try 7 feet up and 3 feet out, 5 feet up and 5 feet out, or 3 feet up and 7 feet out. Indoors, it should be used as a crack and crevice treatment in areas that have seen pest activity or that you suspect to have pests. Advion WDG can be used in and around homes and apartments, but can also be applied in factories, warehouses, hotels, hospitals, restaurants, supermarkets, and other food handling establishments and commercial areas. It can be used in tandem with baits and pest control monitors. Read the Advion WDG label for specifics on application sites and where the product can and cannot be applied. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.